Hello out there everyone, this is the world famous here, Mr. River Rat, the troubleshooter, borderline apps. Today we have a Galaxy DX959. Let me say a shout out to Lone Star 281 out there in Endinburg, Texas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Hello. Okay, let's see. On the 10 watt here in the bottom, the 10 watt slug. About a 1 dead key. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probando. Hola. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 2, 4, then sometimes go to 6 watts on average. I'm going to raise the vertical knob here on the RF power on this DX959, and it gives me about a 4. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probando. Hola. Okay. About 4, 5, and we also did a channel conversion. We didn't get all the frequencies in there, but we did some of them in here. Let's start with the low band here. We got the low band right there, low band, medium band 27.525, and we got the high band here. Go back, low band, and the normal from 1 through 40. Okay. Put it here low here. Audio 1, 2. About a 1.8. Audio. About 2.3. amps current draw here on this DX959. Okay, thank you very much. 73, I'm gone. Bye.